So today we are in Baguio. I took my best friend and my pamangkin. Hello! To my gig, so mamaya kakatao sa Elevate. And it's the closing season for Panagbenga. I'm here now in Burnham Park. First time in like a decade or probably 2 decades, because the last time I was here na nag-boating kami, I was around 4 years old. So yeah, probably 2 decades. And it looks pretty much the same, but it's fun. So we'll take you to our Baguio experience. So we're now walking in Burnham Park. Hi Kish! Enjoy ka ba?
Apa!
Aba! So we're in Burnham Park. When I was a kid, dito kami pumapasyal, and then we would always usually like do the same thing where maglalatag kami and just chill. Hello!
Hello!
It's one of the few things that you can buy in Baguio that you don't necessarily use when you get back home in Manila, but nonetheless, we do it. So we're now here walking in Mines View, where a lot of the souvenirs are, I guess. Strawberries you can buy, and some other stuff. So there! I remember being a kid and going here. I think the last time I went to Mines View Park, since I always just go here for work, was around 2012. So it's been 5 years. We're back. And obviously there are a lot more people than what I had remembered. Or maybe because it's also Panagbenga. So it's beautiful. Hello po! Since the weather in Baguio is a bit colder, flowers, I guess, and plants, they look better, grow, have a better environment to grow in. So there, come Fish.
There on that view.
Look at that view! So we're here at the peak of Mines View. Is this the peak? I think this is the peak, right?
Yeah.
I remember na kami ni Vic, we actually have a photo here from when we were younger. We were at that very corner, that corner there, right there, where the red man is standing. Hi, Kuya. Tapos yung mukha ni Vic, paiyak na siya. Because he was 4 and he was scared of heights. Buti pa si Kish matapang. Hi, Kish. Hi. By the way, nawalan ng cellphone si Tin. Kakanakaw lang ng cellphone niya. And ngayon, hinahanap niya manually yung driver namin. Kasi nga nawalan siya ng cellphone. What to do? Post-mortem of the lost phone. We are at a convenience store. And she's loading her phone so she can call her dad. And our driver, our missing driver. Rotin Lucas. That's the thing though here in the Philippines. I love it so much. But you just sometimes have to be careful. Especially in places like these. Kasi busy, diba? Madaming turista. So, kung meron mga tao na there are bad people who want to do bad things, obviously they'll take advantage of the fact that there are a lot of people probably not minding their stuff because they're busy doing touristy things. So that's a tip from a traveler. And when I travel, I usually wear this jacket. So this jacket has inside pockets. Para lahat ng mga importante, andyan lang sa inside pocket. Works for me. Haven't lost anything, knock on wood, while traveling. So that's my secret. I always have inside pockets. And then the rest of the stuff, if I have more money that I need, I have parang a strapped wallet. Tapos pinapasok siya sa loob ng t-shirt ko. Anong masasabi mo na nawala ni Tita Tin yung phone niya?
Okay lang yan.
So, sabi ko kay Kish, uwi muna tayo sa hotel, papahinga muna, diba? Kasi magpupunta tayo sa gig ni Tita Joyce mamaya. So sabi niya, sino pa magbabantay sa akin? Sabi ko, si Tita Tin. Kaso baka mawala ka rin niya parang yung cellphone niya eh. Di ba na kuya? Pati si kuya, hindi niya alam kung ano gagawin niya eh. Sabi ni kuya, sus, konting-konting kita nyo lang yun, ma'am. Sabi namin, hindi eh. Kalahating taon niya yung pinag-ipunan eh. But the moral of the story is, what's the moral of the story?
Safe and be safe and be safe.
No! The moral of the story is, humanap ka ng pangit at ibigin mong tunay. So we're out now, here in Cafe by the Ruins. And my date for tonight is my pamangkin. Yakish, are you ready to watch my gig? Anto ka na ba? 5 minutes ago she was sleepy, pero hindi pa daw. So I'm about to sing for Elevate. So it's a closing event of Panagbenga here in Baguio. Feeling ko sinabi ko na yun kanina, pero wala akong masabi. So sasabihin ko ng show ulit ngayon. See you guys there. Or no, or not. Because, you know, this is a vlog. You won't be able to see me there. But I'll take a video while I'm there. That works. Okay, bye.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. So gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan. Pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan. Drop it for me. I'll rent some beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Girls, put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all.
I'm gonna give it to you, 'cause you'll be shining so bright. Strawberry champagne all night.
Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like.
Pop it for me.
Hi. Morning. Hello. Last day. About to leave Baguio. Where to eat today is the problem. So we're here now in Baguio City Market. It's a Filipino tradition na every time mabiyahe ka, kahit saan man yun, kahit sa Baguio lang, kailangan meron kang pasalubong. And this is the place to be. So, just haggled my way from 160 per kilo of strawberries to 120. Yep, I'm a pretty good haggler. So we just discovered this cool new place. Well, I discovered it on the internet, so we went to it. Arcus Yard. There. Cool. Hi, girlies.
Hi!
Kamusta naman ang Panagbenga experience nyo?
Okay naman siya. May pulis kagabi.
Ano nangyari sa pulis?
Pinatigil yung Sam!
Bakit?
Uwian na daw, may nanalo.
Ang ganda.